Good morning, friends. How are you all doing today? I hope you're enjoying the weather as much as I am. I mean, it's a little gloomy outside, but that means we're going to have some really amazing flowers coming up soon, and I'm very excited about that. So, my name is Miss Alice. Thank you for joining me for my construction-themed story time today. I have a couple really great books for you. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our opening song, Hello Friends, using our words in American Sign Language. So we're going to practice those first. The first word, hello, we start with our hand with our palm facing out. Then we put our fingers together and put our thumb over our palm. And then we give a little salute. So this is the word hello. Then the word for friends. We take our pointer fingers and turn them into little hooks. We hook them together and switch them. So that's the word for friends. And then it's time to say hello. Let's put it all together. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Good job. All right, we're going to do that one more time. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Awesome job. Okay, we're going to keep getting our hands warmed up with open them, shut them. So let's get them all warmed up and open up wide. Open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them, put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, slowly creep them right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. Very good. All right, and one more song before our first book. We're gonna get our hands way out wide again. I have 10 little fingers, and they all belong to me. I can make them do things. Do you want to see? I can squeeze them up tight. I can open them up wide. I can put them together, and I can make all hide. I can make them jump high. I can make them jump low. I can fold them up quietly and hold them just so. Very good. That was fantastic. Okay, so our first book today is called Dalmatian in a Digger. It's written and illustrated by Rebecca Elliott, so she's the author and illustrator. And this book is read with permission by Picture Window Books and Capstone Publishers. All right. Dugger, dugger, digger. What's that noise? Dugger, dugger, digger. It woke me up. Dugger, dugger, digger. Oh my gosh. It's a Dalmatian in a digger. Dugger, dugger, digger. He's scooping up the dirt. He's dumping it over there. Dugger, dugger, digger. I love diggers. Dugger, dugger, digger. Vroom, vroom, whee! What's that noise? Vroom, vroom, whee! It really made me jump. Vroom, vroom, whee! Oh my gosh. It's a camel in a crane! Vroom, vroom, whee! She's picking up the logs, then lifting them up high. Vroom, vroom, whee! I love cranes! That looks pretty exciting, doesn't it? Let's keep going. Dump, splat, crash. What's that noise? Dump, splat, crash. It sounds really messy. Dump, splat, crash. Oh my gosh. It's a duck in a dump truck. Look at that. Dump, splat, crash. He's filling up his truck. He's delivering the dirt. Dump, splat, crash. I love dump trucks. Tug, tug, beep. Now what's that noise? Tug, tug, beep. It sounds really big. Tug, tug, beep. Oh my gosh. It's a bear in a bulldozer. It is really big, isn't it? Much bigger than a Dalmatian. He's pushing all the rocks. Tug, tug, beep. He's making a huge pile. Tug, tug, beep. I love bulldozers. Dump, splat, crash. Dugger, dugger, digger. Vroom, vroom, whee. Tug, tug, beep. Look, it's all of the machines together. What are they building? Oh my gosh. It's a super amazing treehouse just for me. I love my treehouse. The end. So that was Dalmatian and a Digger. I hope you liked that one. That was really good listening. Okay. So we are going to do our quick little song, Two Little Blackbirds. So I need our pointer fingers at the ready. Okay. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Very good. Okay. Next, let's do two little blackbirds flying through the sky. All right. Two little blackbirds flying through the sky, one named Low and one named High. Fly away, Low. Fly away, High. Come back, Low. Come back, High. Very good. All right, one more. They're going to be sitting on a pole next. Okay. Two little blackbirds sitting on a pole, one named Fast and one named Slow. Fly away fast. Fly away slow. Come back fast. Come back slow. Wonderful job. Okay, it's time for our next book. This one's really cute. This is Bulldozer Helps Out. It's written by Candace Fleming and Eric Roman, and they both wrote the words and drew the picture, so they're both the author and illustrator. And this is read with permission by Athenaeum Books for young readers. All right. The construction site bustled. They do look really busy, don't they? Cement mixer was stirring, stirring, stirring. Crane truck was lifting, lifting, lifting. Digger truck was scooping, scooping, scooping. And Bulldozer was watching, 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 he said with a sigh. Puffing some smoke from his stack, he bumped to where the other trucks worked. I can help, he exclaimed. He raised his blade hopefully. You're too little, rumbled Dump Truck. You'll get hurt. Building skyscrapers is a rough, tough job, clattered Cement Mixer. For rough, tough trucks, rattled Digger. Bulldozer turned away. Oh, I missed a page. Can't do that. The big trucks looked at one another. But maybe, clanged Crane. See over there? Crane pointed. That needs to be cleared and flattened. I can do it! I can do it! Cried Bulldozer. So what are you waiting for, kid? Grumbled Roller Truck. Hooray! Squealed Bulldozer. Honking his horn, he zoomed, bump, vroom, to his worksite. Once there, he revved his motor. He lowered his blade. Charge! He stopped. Why do you think he stopped? That's weird. He sat, smoke puffing from his stack, for a moment. Then he gave the pile a little nudge, and then a second, and then a third. And when he'd gotten it just right, he hunkered down, hushed and watchful. His motor hummed soft as a lullaby. Hours passed. At last, the other trucks bumped to where Bulldozer was working. He hadn't done a single thing they'd asked. Well, that's not very nice of him. I thought he was big enough, boomed Digger. I thought he was rough enough, rattled Scraper. I thought he was tough enough, clattered Grater. Move out of the way, kid, roared Roller. I'll fix that in no time flat. But Bulldozer wouldn't budge. Instead, he whispered, shh. How rude, belched Cement Mixer. Shh. Behave yourself, rattled Scraper. Shh. You mind Roller Truck this minute, clanged Crane. Shh. Then, above the banging, rattling, rumbling, floated a tiny, sweet sound. The trucks quieted, and in the silence a chorus of gentle mews rose into the air. Is that what I think it is? Boomed Digger. Bulldozer raised his blade. He moved aside. What was there? There were a whole bunch of cats. Look, it's a mama cat and a whole bunch of little kittens. They're pretty cute, kid, said Dump Truck. But taking care of babies, now that's a rough, tough job. I can do it! I can do it! Cried Bulldozer. The big trucks looked at one another again. We believe you can, clanged Crane. And he did. The end! Look at Bulldozer, he's so happy! I mean, when you have cats crawling all over you, you have to be happy. I'm pretty sure that's a rule. So that was Bulldozer Helps Out. I hope you like that one as much as I do. Okay. Next, we are going to sing Putting on a Plate. So for this song, you're going to want to grab yourself. Maybe you want to sit on your grown-up's lap, or maybe you want to get a nice favorite stuffed animal or stuffy, or maybe a pillow. I have Winnie the Pooh helping me out today to be my little friend. So for Putting on a Plate, we're going to practice all of your very important dance moves first. First, we wibble wobble back and forth like that. And then we turn. So we pick up and turn. And then we tiptoe. And for tiptoeing, your grown-up or you are going to tiptoe, and it makes you wibble wobble back and forth a little bit like that. And then we jump up and down. So for this, you can lift up in the air. It doesn't have to be very high, or you just do a gentle bounce on your lap. Okay, so this is Putting on a Plate. Are you ready? Putting on a plate, putting on a plate. Wibble wobble, putting on a plate. Sausage in a pan, sausage in a pan. Turn the sausage, sausage in a pan. Rice in a bowl, rice in a bowl. Tiptoe, tiptoe, rice in a bowl. Popcorn in a pot, popcorn in a pot. Pop, 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 popcorn in a pot. All right, we're going to do that one more time. It's one of my favorites. Putting on a plate, putting on a plate. Wibble wobble, putting on a plate. Sausage in a pan, sausage in a pan. Turn the sausage, sausage in a pan. Rice in a bowl, rice in a bowl. Tiptoe, tiptoe, rice in a bowl. Popcorn in a pot, popcorn in a pot. Pop, 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 popcorn in a pot. Very good. Okay, so we're going to put our stuffies to the side because it's time for our last book today. This is Billions of Bricks. It's a counting book by Kurt Cyrus. He's the author and illustrator, and it's read with permission by Christy Ottaviano Books and Henry Holt and Company. Alrighty. 2, 4, 6. Look at all the bricks. Red and rough, hard and tough, 2, 4, 6. 10, 20, 30. Some are old and dirty. Some are clean or in between. 10, 20, 30. Dig the clay, squish it thick. Take a mold and make a brick. Dump it out, let it dry. Stoke the oven way up high. Mix, mix, mix the mortar for the bricks. Make it sloppy, goopy, gloppy. Mix, mix, mix. Bricks and blocks abound. Build beneath the ground. Arches, pillars, walls, and cellars winding all around. 5, 10, 15, 20. Stacks of bricks. Bricks aplenty. There's so many. Lay them at your feet. Fit them nice and neat. 4 by 4, then more and more. Repeat, repeat, repeat. On it goes in rows and rows, and soon you have a street. 2, 4, 6. Another batch of bricks. Big and small, we use them all. 2, 4, 6. Build a solid base. Lock them into place. 10, 20, 30, 40, filling every space. Clack, clack, clack. Bricks can break your back. Bend your knees when lifting, please. Clack, clack, clack. Stack them to the sky, 100 meters high. 20, 40, 60, 80, straight into the sky. 2, 4, 6. A million billion bricks. Columns, walls, shopping malls, halls of politics. Grand hotels, wishing wells, railroad yards, boulevards, fountains, pools, public schools. This whole book is full of bricks, and now that it's been written, we couldn't stack another block for all the bricks in Britain. The work is nearly done. The cleanup has begun. Let's count the bricks we didn't use. All together. 1. The end. So that's billions of bricks. That was really good listening, you guys. So I'm going to tell you before our last song about the craft that we're doing. So you can come into the library or at our drive-up window and pick up these little packets that I have ready for you. In here, there's a whole bunch of different shapes and a piece of paper so that you can create your own truck. So this is the truck that I made. I like gardening, so I decided to design a gardening truck. So I got a couple different shapes. I got some stars, and I decided to use those as wheels because I didn't have any circles. And then I got a big giant triangle, and I didn't know what to do with that one. I didn't really like it. So I tore it apart, and I used it in 2 different spots. And then I also had a little tiny square. I didn't really need it. It was just left over. So I decided to tear it up and use it as all of my seeds coming off the back of my truck. So I just wanted to show you all the different things you can do with the shapes that you're going to be getting. So you can pick that up, like I said, in the children's department or at our drive-up window. All right, so it's time for our last song, I Am Special, so I need our pointer fingers at the ready. I am special, I am special, you can see, someone very special, that is me, Fantastic job! Make sure to tune in next week. Miss Chris is going to be telling you all about trains. So I'll see you later. Bye.